Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and of course I lost people rock scissors because Yu-Gi-Oh! I always lose that people rock scissors, bro. So, y'all won't believe what I'm playing. First off, it's 60 cards, which is dumb. It's crazy. I have no idea what she's playing. Knowing her, it's probably gonna be trick stars again. Because that's my luck. Because of what this deck does a lot of. Ugh. Of course. Oh my luck. Mm. That card really sucks against Thunder Dragons. I just didn't have any Thunder Dragons in my hand when she used it. Which, of course, is my luck. I mean, stick of those fucking monster incarnation, the sharp trick reincarnation. That is getting extremely irritating. Making it very difficult to Yu-Gi-Oh! Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. I think that's pretty much game for her. I'm negation shit. She might still be able to win. Thanks for the field spell. Yummy, yummy, yum, yum, yum. She's so she can hear everything I'm saying. She sucks at Yu-Gi-Oh! You suck! I'm screwing with her. Well, that wasn't nice. So we're gonna do another round because that was short. That was extremely short. Oh yeah, he's level 8, so I could make weak 8s out of the Colossus. Not that you would want to, but it is an option. So I'm assuming she's playing Trick Cells again. So Colossus turn 1 is really good. She doesn't read cards. She doesn't realize that Colossus stops searching effects. But it does not stop that. Shoot, I want to make this 40 cards, but it's difficult to make a deck like this. 40 cards, cut the Dark Lords, cut out the Chaos Monsters, I suppose, which would be some big help. And 11, 12, 13, 14 cards right there. I still need to cut another 6 cards out. I had done a dragon, but not one that really mattered. Blast! Because that. that damage. That's a pretty good turn. I think this deck could be a bit better if. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Really? Are you kidding me? Okay. What's your target? Okay. I should have had a dark one back. Oh well. I misplayed. That top deck. This is why I like the Chaos Monsters in here, because they're all light and dark, so. when you're weak, it's so that was a turn. Thunder Dragon Titan at 4K. That's pretty beefy, isn't it? So let's do a deck profile real quick before my time runs out. Long deck. That's Orcus. Chaos Thunder. That's Chaos Dragon. Sorry, Chaos Thunder. One Chaos Impulse Dragon. 3 BLS. One Dark Arm Dragon. 3 Thunder. One 3 Dark. 3 Dragon Dark. Blah. 3 Dragon Hawk. 2 Thunder. 2 Dragon Sorry. 2 Matrix. 3 OG Thunder Dragons. 3 Bigfoot. 3 Thunderbird. 3 Oompa Loompa, whatever it's called. Uko Puko. This is what plays in the Thunders that we lost. Because I played trade in, so I figured why not play some more 8s over like the level 4 guys. 2 Nessie. 1 Dogman. 2 Mothman. 2 Cobra. 2 of him. 2 Jackalope. 3 Grappa. 1 Beige. 3 Snow. 3 Brow. This is something that I'm thinking about cutting, which will make it 50 cards right there. 1 Gold Sock. 1 Card Destruction. 1 Thunder Dragon Fusion. 3 Thunder, the beginning of the end. 3 Trade-in. And then 3 Allure of Darkness. And for my extra deck, 3 Colossus. 3 Titan. 1 Orchids of the Evening Star. 1 number 38. 1 Bishop. 1 Felgran. 1 Nightmare Phoenix. 1 Nightmare Sorobus. Clara. This guy. Underclock Taker. And then 3 Skull Dread. It's just a rough draft. The first build, it's gonna be improved upon and cut back a little to make it better, more consistent. These are gonna be cut out, so making it 50 cards is a lot better than having a 60 card deck. Not that 50 cards is good either. I still want to cut back more. I'm thinking about cutting these back out completely or cut down on them significantly, like maybe like 2 BLS. And that's it, or 3 BLS. No Ds. I don't know. Maybe cut some of my spells out. Not sure. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed them. Subscribe and everything. And comment below. I'll catch you guys later. Jinzo, sign out.